Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. The smallest state in Asia is Palestine, Maldives, Singapore, Lebanon. The correct Maldives. The smallest state in Asia is Maldives. Nails, feathers, hairs, and horns are made up of protein, carbohydrate, mineral, fats. The correct answer: nails, feathers, hairs, and horns are made up of proteins. Cirrhosis is a disease that affects lungs, liver, brain, or your heart. The correct answer is liver. Cirrhosis is a disease that affects the liver. Lake Superior is located in and Canada. Lake Superior is located in USA and Canada. Country has largest labor force: India, China, Brazil. The correct answer: China has largest labor force. Who is the youngest chairman Senate of Pakistan till now? Sanjrani was the youngest chairman Senate of Pakistan till now. Which country has the largest reserves of oil? Venezuela has largest reserves of oil. Which of the following is the main device used in DC circuit? Resistor. The main device resistor is used. Al Jafriya Palace is a fortified palace is located in Spain. The famous palace Al Jafriya Palace is located in Spain. What is the chemical name of the sugar found in sugarcane? Sucrose is the chemical name of sugarcane sugar. China Sea is outflow from which river? Yangtze River is the outflow from China Sea. The headquarters of Twitter is located in San Francisco. Headquarters of Twitter is located in San Francisco. 23rd April is a World Day. 23rd April is celebrated as World Books Day. First American woman to go into space was Sally Ride, first American woman to go into space. The book Kitabul Hind is written by Baruni. The book Kitabul Hind is written by Al-Baruni. White House is located in USA. How to avoid climate disaster. 8 wrote the famous book How to Avoid Climate Disaster. River passes through maximum number of countries. Danube passes through maximum number of countries. Twitter was created by Jack Dorsey and No Gloss was created by Twitter. Official residence of presidents of South Korea. House is official residence of President of South Korea. Here is the headquarters of International Atomic Energy Agency. Austria. International Atomic Energy Agency headquarters located in Vienna, Austria. Headquarters of Reuters News Agency is located in London. The famous news agency Reuters headquarters located in London. Headquarters of International Labour Organization is located in the upper house of Malaysia is called the upper house of Malaysia is called Diwane Nagar. Cricket World Cup are played in 1705. Thank you very much. Kindly share and subscribe my channel.